Let's practice determining the number of solutions in a problem or a system. In a system like this, we first notice that it's already in y equals mx plus b form. That makes it very easy because we know the slope already and the intercept. We see the slope on both lines is 3. This means that the lines are either parallel or they're on top of each other, but they cannot be crossing only once. Next, we realize that the intercepts are different, so they must be parallel, not crossing the y-axis at the same place. Since parallel lines never cross, there's no solution. They have the same slope, but different intercepts, so there's no solution. In our second example, we're not so lucky. We don't start with slope-intercept form on both equations. Only the bottom is in y equals mx plus b form. In order to know the slope of the top equation, it's best to turn it into y equals mx plus b form first. First, we throw the x term to the other side. Then we divide everything by 8. Here we realize that the top equation is identical to the bottom equation. Both graphs would overlap in the same line, so this system has infinitely many solutions. Our last equation also has our equations in standard form, so we cannot tell the slope right offhand. So let's turn them both first into y equals mx plus b form. First, we throw the x term to the other side. It becomes negative. Next, we divide everything by negative 2, and we get y equals 5x minus 3. On the second equation, we first throw the x term to the other side, and it becomes negative. Then we divide everything by 4 to get y alone. Here, y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. We can see these two equations have different slopes, 5 and negative 3/4, so they must cross only in one place. So these two equations only have one solution for this system.